Hello to everyone. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will discuss about introduction to partnership, and that point is capital account of partner. A capital account of each partner is prepared in the books of partnership form to record the individual transaction done by partners with the partnership form. It means all our partners transaction, individual transaction with the uh, partnership form. They are all recorded in one book, and that book prepared by partnership form. It means an initial capital introduced by the partners and additional in capital if any means are recorded at the credit side of the capital account, and transactions which reduce the capital are recorded at the debit side of the capital account. It means when we prepare our account related to capital, okay, capital accounts, then we prepare our initial capital write down credit side, and our another additional capital when we write down on credit side, that time our capital is increased. It means partners capital are increased, and when we write down in debit side, that time our capital is empty. It means the partner capital is reduced. Okay, friends? So friends, there are two types of accounts, two types of methods we maintain our capital account. First one is fixing capital account method, and second one is flexible capital account method. Today we will discuss about first method, fictitious capital account method. It means flexible. There is changes in our capital balance. There are credit or debit balance also. It means end of the year. Our capital account may be debit balance, or our capital account may be credit balance also. First, we see the specimens, what is the comes in this account. So, partner's capital account, it is specimens. Debit side, credit side. Date, particulars. Here in amount column, you have partners. There is A and B. It is they are partners. Then date, then particulars, and here also in amount column, two persons partner here. So A and B. Okay. First we see debit side. See friends, here first point is to balance brought forward. BD means brought forward, and this is the opening debit balance of capital account. Suppose both our partners have debit balance, then write down here is figure. Okay. Then second point, to drawing account. It means partners are withdraw from partnership form from the business, whatever, cash, bank, or any other asset. It means if the partner withdraw from the partnership form cash, then you will write down to drawings account in bracket cash, and figure write down in the partnership, in the partner column. Then they pay any personal expense by the bank, then you write down in bracket bank, and if they use company or business assets used for personal, that time you write down in bracket asset. Okay. Then to interest on drawing account. It means यहाँ पे जो ड्राइंग किया है उसने जो पर्सनल यूज किया है उसका इंटरेस्ट लिखा जाता है. Okay. Now new point, to profit loss appropriation account. It is our divisible loss, and when we find out this divisible loss, we record all this transaction, then we will find out this. Okay. Suppose this is the loss between two partners profit loss proportions. You distribute this. Okay. Then new to balance carry forward. It is our closing balance. See, credit balance, where we write in our balance sheet capital and liabilities side. Okay. Then credit side. What is the comes on credit side? These are points. First one is by balance brought forward. It means this is the opening credit balance of capital. Okay. Those partners have credit balance, write down here. Then by cash, bank or any other asset account. It means this is the comes from our partners. Suppose any partner take cash, it means this is the additional capital. They come from by cash, by bank or by any other asset. Okay. Then by interest on capital account, it means पार्टनर की जो कैपिटल है उस पे हम इंटरेस्ट पे करते हैं. पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म जो इंटरेस्ट पे करता है वो. देन बाय सैलरी अकाउंट, इट मीन्स विच पार्टनर हैव सैलरी. देन बाय बोनस, सेम वे. देन बाय कमीशन अकाउंट. देन बाय रिम्यूनरेशन अकाउंट. These four accounts related to partners. If they have made by from salary, bonus, commission and remuneration. It means जो पार्टनर को मिलता है वो यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. जिस भी पार्टनर को मिलता है उसके अमाउंट में लिखा जाता है. Then by profit loss appropriation account, it is come from appropriation account. जो appropriation account हमने प्रिपेयर किया है वहां से जो डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट आता है वो उनके अकाउंट में लिखा जाता है. देन बाय बैलेंस कैरी फॉरवर्ड, इट मीन्स दिस इज द क्लोजिंग डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट. एंड दिस वन इज राइट डाउन हियर. एंड अदर्स इन फाइनल बैलेंस शीट देयर इज राइट डाउन ऑन असेट डेट साइड. ओके. देन बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, यानी किसी पार्टनर ने फर्म को लोन दिया है तो उसका जो इंटरेस्ट है वो भी हम कैपिटल अकाउंट की क्रेडिट साइड पर राइट करते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन वी प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस मेथड our partners capital account, that time our closing balance is credit balance. Then it would be appear in our balance sheet. There is capital liability side in capital account. Okay, in capital. And if our balance is debit, that time it would be appear in our balance sheet. There is debit side, there is asset debt side. Okay friends? Now we will discuss about second method, and the second method is fixed capital account method. According to this method, our partner's capital generally same balance, it is opening or otherwise it is closing balance. Okay? So, a method of partner's capital under which no change is reported in opening balance and closing balance in the partner's capital account is known as a fixed capital account method. It means यहाँ पे पार्टनर की ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग बैलेंस में डिफरेंट होता नहीं है मेजरली. ओके. It means under this method to record all the transactions of the partners with the partnership form. Two accounts are maintained in the book. It means यहाँ पे हमें दो अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करने होते हैं, एक कैपिटल के लिए और एक कैपिटल में जो चेंज आता है उसके लिए. यदि परमानेंट चेंज है तो कैपिटल में राइट डाउन किया जाएगा कैपिटल अकाउंट में. यदि वहां पे कोई परमानेंट चेंज नहीं है तो वो करंट अकाउंट में राइट किया जाता है. It means here two accounts maintained. First one is partner's capital account and second one is partner's current account. Okay? We will discuss about this one by one. First we discuss about partner's capital account. Okay, friends. So, a partner capital account. Partner capital account, so generally there is opening balance and its closing balance. Both are same. But there can be little bit change. The partners permanently capital withdraw, that time closing balance different. Otherwise, that time partners any capitals added with permanently. That time our opening closing balance increase. Okay, so let's see how to manage this partner account. Okay, so there is very pertinent date, particulars, partner A, partner B, then days, particulars, then partner A, partner B, amount. Okay, first we write, and this account is always more credit balance. Okay, so we start from this credit side and we write down by balance BD. BD means brought forward. हम आगे लाए हैं और पार्टनर्स की जो कैपिटल है हम राइट कर देंगे. Then if the any partner takes permanently any asset, cash, asset of bank, यानी परमानेंटली बेस पे वो कोई कुछ भी लाया है, जैसे कि वो कैश लाया है, किसी बैंक से कोई काम किया है या कोई असेट फॉर्म में लाया है, तो वो एडिशनल कैपिटल कहलाएगा और उससे उसकी कैपिटल की ग्रोथ होगी, इंक्रीज होगी. और जो जब वो परमानेंटली विड्रॉ करता है पार्टनरशिप में से, पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म में से, ओके, देन कैश, bank or any asset withdraw permanently by the partner, that time then capital is decreased. Okay, and always this account always credit balance and it is shown on liabilities, capital liabilities side of the balance sheet. Okay, it means जब भी फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट मेथड को यूज करके अपना न्यूमेरिकल एग्जांपल सॉल्व करेंगे, तब हम दो अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड सेकेंड वन इज पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. व्हेन वी प्रिपेयर अवर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, देयर इज टू transaction mentioned related this. First one is additional capital transactions, those are permanently, okay, and withdraws permanently, the transaction will not down in our capital account. Then others are recorded in our partner's current account. Okay, let we see partner current account.
Friends, now we will discuss about another method. This is fixed capital account method. Then first we discuss about part A. There is partner capital accounts, and then we discuss about here partner's current account. Under fixed capital accounts method, the accounts prepared to record the partners with the partnership form. Other than permanent capital is known as current account. It means परमानेंट कैपिटल को इफेक्ट करने वाली जो दो बातें हैं, या विड्रॉ द कैपिटल परमानेंटली और एडिशन द कैपिटल परमानेंटली, then these two things, then others transaction write down in this account. It means its balance, either debit or either credit. If there is debit balance, we recorded in our assets debit side of the balance sheet, and if there is credit balance, we recorded it a capital accounts, capital and liabilities of the balance sheet. Okay, we discuss about our specimens of partner's current account. First, we draw a account like there is date, particulars, partner A and partner B, dates, particular, partner A and partner B. First, we see credit side. Okay, so first there is first given there by balance brought forward, यानी हम जो अगले साल का बैलेंस है वो इस साल लेते हैं. दिस इज अवर ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ करंट अकाउंट. ओके, देन बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट, कैपिटल अपनी जो कैपिटल है उस पे जो इंटरेस्ट मिलता है वो भी यहाँ पे लिखा जाता है. वो कैपिटल पार्टनर की जो कैपिटल अकाउंट्स है उसमें नहीं लिखा जाता. देन बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑफ करंट अकाउंट, जो करंट अकाउंट का क्रेडिट बैलेंस है उसका इंटरेस्ट. देन बाय सैलरीज अकाउंट, बाय बोनस अकाउंट, बाय कमीशन अकाउंट्स, बाय रिम्यूनरेशन अकाउंट. these 4 accounts related to partners, and we write down in this account if they have given salary, then you write down here bonus, commissions or remunerations. Okay, then by profit loss appropriations account, it is our divisible profit. Okay, write down in the A and B column. Then by balance we find out this figure end of the account by balance, and there is carry forward, it means हमें आगे ले जाएंगे, and this called closing balance. This balance we write down in our financial balance sheet. There is credit side, it means there is capital liabilities side, write down. Okay, then we discuss about our debit side. What is the comes in debit side? First one, opening balance of current account, it means to balance brought forward. Okay, then second one is here the drawings account, it means पार्टनर ने जितना भी पर्सनल यूज के लिए लिया है वो सभी, चाहे वो कैश हो, बैंक हो या कोई असेट्स का यूज किया है. देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट्स, यानी जितना भी ड्रॉइंग्स है उस पर इंटरेस्ट लेना है तो कितना लेना है वो इंटरेस्ट लिखा जाता है. देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ करंट अकाउंट, करंट अकाउंट का जो डेबिट बैलेंस है उसका इंटरेस्ट. देन द प्रॉफिट लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशंस अकाउंट, दिस इज द डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. ओके, डेबिट साइड जो आता है एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट वो प्रॉफिट कहलाता है. क्रेडिट साइड जो आता है वो लॉस कहलाता है. ओके, देन we find out the balance of carry forward, there is the closing current account balance. Okay, and this is write down in our balance sheet. There is debit assets and debit side, we write down this. Okay friends.